Okay, let's begin. God bless everyone. Okay, let's start our exercise. Planning Control Management Part 3, how to establish or develop detailed baseline program. Previous episode, Part 3, Session 5, we discussed report layouts regarding the list of report layouts and the execution of preparing of detailed program for detailed baseline program. Preparing of the layouts for the detailed baseline program. Layouts for the detailed baseline program, project longest path, project critical path, and project look ahead schedule. So our current episode is part 3, session 6. This will involve report layouts also to continue for the activity usage spreadsheet. Actually, this is the activities resource assignment and expenses unit under cost distribution. And here are the methods on how to prepare these layouts. First method is by Primavera P06 activity usage spreadsheet feature. And next is by Primavera P06 report wizard feature. And the third is by MS Excel spreadsheet. Okay, our topic for today is part 3, session 6, about activity usage spreadsheet as part of the report layouts for detailed baseline program. We can call this in other term as activity resource assignment by resource type and expenses unit and or cost distribution. Okay, let's start with the first method by Primavera P06 activity usage spreadsheet feature. Okay, let's open our Primavera P06 where you are now here. Okay. Okay, let's show the columns. Okay, let's save. I think we need to save this into we will save this into a layout as what shall be the name of our layout for this I mean we have to our last topic was the look ahead schedule. We can just save a layout for it and then just modify everything. Okay, so we will change. We'll make a layout and change it to how can we name it? Let's say activity usage spreadsheet. Oh, let's say we will. How about okay? I think that's enough. Okay, we'll save it, and then we will arrange the column. What column should we need in here? So let's say this is a activity ID, name, duration. I think we will change this into start and finish. Okay, we'll remove it. We'll change it to start and finish. Let's start here, highlight. Okay, put it at the center. And what else do we need here? I think we need the budgeted total cost. Before that, let me explain to you. This is an activity user spreadsheet, meaning the subject here is the activity. We will be distributing the cost of the every activity for the whole period of this project. We can say at an interval of 1 week, 1 month, something like that. Okay, so we'll look for budgeted total cost, so we can find it under the cost, and then budgeted total cost, then put it here, put it at the center of the column, and then apply. Okay, so double click it to fit the column, double click. Okay, do we need more information on this column, or I think this is enough? Okay. What else? Okay, let's modify this. I mean the what they call this, our time scale. We will modify it this by year and month. Year and month. Okay, apply. Okay, there we go. So that it will be more understandable. I think we'll street it to 10 months, more than that. Okay, so we have to filter. What should be the filter? We don't need the milestone here. We don't need the what do you call this? Yeah, we don't need the milestone. So we will show the filter as, okay, let's create a new filter, and we will rename name it as the same as in layout or activity usage spreadsheet. Okay. And then what should be the layout for this one? We don't need a milestone. So that means milestone is an activity type. So we have to look for activity type here, and then it should not be equals to the milestones, right? Okay, should not be equals to first start milestone, and then click add again. And then activity type, you can, I think you can use the fill down here. Okay. And also here, highlight and then use the fill down. And then here, you should select milestone. Or finish milestone. Actually, the activity type with level of effort, we need it because we have to distribute it month by periodic. Task dependence, we need it. Okay, this is enough. And then, okay. And then remove the look ahead filter and then apply. Okay. I think that is not the one we okay, next. What shall we do next? I forgot. Okay, next we will show the we will show the activity user spreadsheet into this bottom detail. So how to do it? Here you can see here the view, and then show bottom spreadsheet, show on bottom. So we will show the bottom at the bottom the activity, not that one. I think the activity user spreadsheet. Okay. Okay. So you can see here already the distribution, right? So what is next? The next thing to do is we have to preview it. Go to preview, and then take note of what I'm teaching you here, because this is a little bit tricky, because this is some of the problems of the planner and scheduler in Primavera. So next, we have to go to what do you call this? print page it up, and then we will go to options. Okay. Let's remove the this one. We don't need this one. We don't need this one, but we need this spreadsheet. Okay. Check it and then apply. Okay. So here you can see the what do you call this? You can already see our what do you call this? The outcome or the output of our activity using spreadsheet, but you cannot see something here. So we will change it to A3 size, and then what else? Why we cannot? Okay, we will go to option, and here we will check the duration, since we have put here 1 month, data date plus 1 month. That is why it only shows 1 month here. So we have to put it for the whole project duration. So we will select project finish. Okay. And then apply. Okay. You can see the, what do you call this? And then it's so messy, right? Okay. Let's close it again. Let's save it. Okay. We will move this up so that we can see the whole, okay. Here we want to see the activity units and cost only. So what you need to do is just right click here, and then time scale, we are already done for it. Do we need something to change for the time scale? I think there's none. So we will go to a spreadsheet option. Okay, that is not needed. Calculate average, we don't need that one. We need the exact amount of the monthly distribution. Okay. I mean the exact quantity. Okay, let's right click again. Use the spreadsheet field. Here, if here you can see here, whatever is displayed here will be the one to be displayed in the activity window. Okay. So we want only, we don't need this one budgeted cost. Do we need this? Yes, of course we need it. So okay, budgeted total cost, and what else? Units. So we need a unit. So we will remaining, we don't need it. Actual, we don't need it. But we need the units. So we will go to units. We'll look for the budgeted units. Do we have here? No, we don't have the budgeted units here. We need only the budgeted total cost, because if we use the units, only the type of resources will be added here. So if you want the, let's say, for example, the budgeted non-labor cost will be shown on this spreadsheet, you can choose it. But for now, to be more specific for cost, so we will use only the budgeted total cost. Okay. Then apply it. Okay. So we can see here already the what do you call this? Here you can see the distribution. We'll start from 1 month. We will move this out, and then switch. But it sounds messy. Okay, we will change the font. We will make it as Arial narrow bold into 10. Okay, then apply. We will use the we'll remove this one, and then we will make it a little bit, the row height will be a little bit bigger. Okay, some more. Apply. Okay. So, what else? We can also change the band. Let's say we will make this as, I think that's enough. 12 is enough. Okay. So this is enough. If you look at the view, we have all the information, duration, start, finish, budgeted total cost. Okay, let's preview. Okay. Okay. So we're done. It's very simple, right? This is the method by using the activity usage spreadsheet feature of Primavera P6. Okay, I think we're done. So the header is okay. So let's print it into PDF. And then, okay. And then, if you want to check, we'll cancel it first. You can check if the figure here are correct or not. Let's close it first. This is 26,806,05840. So I think this is correct. I can remember it. So the distribution here, actually the distribution here is what you call this, by period or by monthly period. But if you want the cumulative, I mean the cumulative amount, you can also insert it here. So by doing this, right click here and then spreadsheet field. Actually, I use this, the budgeted total cost was shown here in the time interval. While the cumulative, if you want to show it also on this, on your page, so you can show it cost, and then the cumulative budgeted total cost here, then you can show it there, and then apply. Okay, so you can see here, the periodic here, and then here is the cumulative, meaning this one plus this one will give you this one. And then since there is no more periodic values here, so the same, the cumulative will be the same up to the last period of the project. Okay, but now we will remove the cumulative because it's messy for me to look at it. What we need here only is to see how much will be spending, or how much will be the amount for every, what do you call this? For every month. Okay, so let's remove it. We'll just show only the time period or the monthly period amount. Okay. Okay. So let's preview it. And then print. Okay. And then we will make it as what? We will make it as activity. Let's say Primavera P6 activity usage spreadsheet. Okay. And then save. Okay, done. So we will close. And then let's move to the second method, which is the report wizard feature of Primavera P6. Okay, how to start it? Okay, how to do it is go to tools. Here you can see the report wizard. Let me. Okay, report wizard. Okay, let's go to tools, report wizard. Okay. What shall we do here? We need a new war report or use the current screen. Okay, it's better to use this current screen because the report wizard will be adapting whatever is our setup here on the screen. While when we use the new report, we will be setting up completely on the report wizard. Okay, so we will use this one. The next, okay. Is this a time distributed data? Yes, because we are distributing the cost monthly for the whole project duration. And then what is our subject here? The subject here is the activities. So highlight activities and then next. Okay, so we'll go to columns. Okay, check the columns. And then you see the columns is being adopted by the report wizard. So I think this is already the name that we, let's say duration, start, finish, budgeted total cost, total flow. Okay. So you think we're done here? Okay. So apply and then okay. That is for the column. Next, we will go to group and sort. Okay, click group and sort. Here, are we doing it or organizing it by WBS? Grouping by WBS? Yes, okay. So do we want to summarize it? I think we need a detailed one. So just leave it a blank. And here, the WBS, we will be using the whole WBS level. Hide if empty. And then how about this one? We will show the totals at the bottom. And then we should show only the name and description so that it will not be so crowded. Or anything else? So we will look at the sorting if that is okay, start and finish, that is okay. Okay. Anything else we miss here? I think there's none. So let's apply and then okay. Okay, we'll go to filter. So you see the filter is populated the same way. Activity type is not equal to start milestone. Activity type is not equal to finish milestone. So anything else we miss here? Okay, I think this is okay. So apply and then okay. And then we will hide the subject area. You can show it if you want, but to be avoid messy in our schedule, so I will remove this one. Then, do we miss? Okay, next, time scale. Show period total, we don't need this. It's just an additional information which is non-significant. Time scale. Okay, let's choose time scale. Project start, that's fine. We will do the interval by monthly. And then time scale, project finish up to the completion of the project. And the date format is calendar. No need for this one. Okay, I think this is already okay. So, okay. And then time intervals. Okay, let's check it. So here, as we have to show here the budgeted total cost. So only the periodic, so the time interval, not the cumulative. Okay. Click it and then look for the cost. Earned value will be used, some other here will be used during the update or update schedule update. So base, we will look for budgeted expense cost. We don't need this anymore because it is already included in the budgeted total cost. So we need only a general information now for the detailed baseline program. So we will use the budgeted total cost. Okay. Then edit, we will put it at center. Okay. I think we're done here. Okay. Next, we will rename this into activity usage spreadsheet. Okay, next. And then that's okay, format numbers. So we will try to run the report to see ahead what will be the output, and then so that we can rectify it. Okay, run, print preview. So we will see the preview. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the output. Now, first we will go here, we will set up the printer, go to properties, go to advanced, and then let's click A3. Okay, and okay. No, cancel. No. Okay. Okay, this is the output. But how many pages? It's 4 pages. So we have to minimize this one. So let's say we will say, okay, let's say we will adjust this to let's say 90. So that is February. We will adjust it to 85. Or let's try to fit it to 1 page. That's too much. Okay. I think we can use the A4 size here. No, that's enough. We'll use the adjust to 85 March. So we will check if there is still okay, there is still 1 month. So we will adjust it to no page, adjust it to say 84. Okay, are we done for the width? Yes, but we have 2 pages. We need only to put this in 1 page. So what shall we do with it? Okay. I think we will remove the subtotal here. So let's get back. Show time intervals. Let's say, okay, that's fine. Okay, this is fine. So let's get back. Hide subject areas. Let's say group and sort. How about if we will remove this one? Okay. About the columns, do you have any problem? Okay, no problem. Okay, let's move forward. We don't need this one. Okay. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Let's check it again. No. We'll go here. Properties. Advanced. We know the A3. Okay. Okay. No. I think this one, we need this one. Set up. We are not printing actually. Print setup, advance. Okay, it's okay. 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 What happened? Okay, how about if we will make this unto 84? Okay, we still have two. Let's check it. Oh, okay. How about if we will reduce the WBS? I think I will make this into 2 level. Okay, that's the problem here because this is I felt difficult working on this wizard rather than using the Gantt chart window. Okay, let's make this as, what if we will fit into one? If we will be using the A4, is it possible? Okay, but it's too, so this is possible. But the organization is not too good. Let's get back to, okay, let's get back to WBS. Group and sort, let's make this into 3 or all. Next, next. No. Properties, advanced, you have the E4. Let's use, we will use this. Fit one, apply. Oh, anyway, we will use the A3. A3 size, apply. No, it's not working. Okay, let's adjust it. We will use the, let's say 85. No, it's working. Let's say 84. Okay, let's say 83. So what else we still have here? Okay, let's make it into 2 only. Okay. Okay, let's make this into let's say 85, 84. Okay, done. Now we will go to the header. Okay, here we will put the picture or the logo. Okay, let's choose this one. And then at the right section, we will put also the picture or logo of the contractor. Okay, and then the middle, what should be the name of it? Text logo. Okay, let's say PDLM site development. And then let's say activity usage spreadsheet. And then next. No, not spread activity usage. No, no. Report wizards so that we can distinguish the layout, the method. Activity uses report wizards, and then next. I think that's enough. Activity. Anyway, we can change it whatever we want as long as you know the procedure. Okay, let's say the status date. Oh. Okay, and then put your cursor here, and then we'll look for the data date, and then add. Okay, so what else? Let's change this into area black. Let's say 12, and the color is let's say the first is blue. They will make it blue. Okay, we'll change this into red, highlight it, and then we'll make it maroon. And the data date will change it into a simple, let's say you'll narrow 12, make it bold. Okay, and then apply. What happened? It didn't show. It is because our height here is very small. So we will add the column here. You know, the height of the header, we have to adjust it because our center section is big enough to fit. So we will make it a little bit bigger, apply. Okay, shown already. So that's the way how to do it. Just a matter of making it, refining it to make to look it better. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, let's print it. Okay, print it in PDF, and then let's how shall we name it? Let's for size. No. For layouts, let's say we will name it into activity user, activity usage report wizard. Okay, save. Okay, we're done. We're done with the activity usage using the Primavera P6 report wizard. What happened? Oh no, okay. Actually, we have not yet finished the after the run report. That is only a preview of the report. We had just to save the layout in PDF. So next we will continue. Click next, and then when you click this one, the title of our report here in the report wizard will be shown into the report section of Primavera P6. So let's save the report. Okay, it shows that the report record was already added by another user. So the other user data will be used. So let's okay. The report was saved as baseline versus current. No. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's do finish. Okay. So how could you see the report? The one that we made, where was it saved? We can see it here. Go to tools, and then just a while ago we used the report wizard, but now we have to use the reports and go to reports. And here you can see the what do you call this? The reports that were created, and they are archived here. So if you want to edit it, just click it, just right click, and then run report, and then look at the preview. Okay. So our report, I don't know where it goes. I think can find it here. Anyway, you already know how to use the report wizard. Okay. So that is the way, that is the method on how to use the report wizard. Okay. So let's go to next is creating the activity usage spreadsheet using the by Excel. This one, I will go to our Primavera P6. This is our screen for the activity usage spreadsheet. So in Excel spreadsheet, by using the Excel, this is done by just simply done by exporting Excel file or copy the Primavera P6 activity usage spreadsheet screen and paste it into Excel file. So that means we have to use the Excel here, right? So I think we have to open our Excel. Okay. So we'll open our Excel. So first, what we need to do here is to highlight all the activities. Okay. And then Control C, meaning you have to copy this one into Excel format. Okay, and then we will open our Excel. Where's our Excel here? Okay. So we will use the, we will make another sheet here. So we will paste our activity usage spreadsheet here. Okay. That's simple. And then, okay. So we will make this at the center. I think we just remove, I think the, anyway. Okay, we will make this at the center, all of this. No, make it center. And then let's make this as a bold. Okay, we will insert a header here. We will insert a header. Let's say our header could be say the first is let's delete this one. Let's say PDLM, site development. Next is activity usage report wizard. And then let's say status date. 1 June 2022. And that's all. So we will put all of this in at the center. Okay, format cell, alignment, merge, vertical is center, horizontal is also center. And apply. Then we will follow the format. Okay, then we will make this 2 as let's say aerial block. And this one, I'll make it as Arial narrow and make it bold. Okay. Then, okay, let's change this into blue. And this one is, okay. So you can further, what you call this, you can further enhance this Excel spreadsheet to looks good. Okay, so we will, let's say we will put the, the grid lines, border. Okay, so let's view. So we can print it, view, and then page brick. Okay, we will fit it in one page. Okay, normal. Then what else? Next, we have to print it into PDF. Okay, let's say page setup. Okay, we will use the A3. And then page setup, we will use the page setup landscape. Apply. Okay, let's make it 100%. Or we will fit it to 1. It's too close. It's too short. So we can hide it, make the a little bit bigger row height. Let's say, let's make it 25. Okay. And then file, print. Okay. It's very perfect. Just in one trial, I made it perfect for one page. So let's print it. Okay, in PDF, let's say we will go to exercise, and then let's see here. Let's say what shall we name for it? Well, let's say activity usage Excel spreadsheet. Okay. Okay, save. Okay, we have done already the 3 methods of on how to create activity usage distribution. It is by one is by the Gantt chart. I mean the Primavera P06 Gantt chart window, and then the other one is using the no, it's not the Gantt chart window. It is the Primavera P06 activity usage spreadsheet, and the other one is Primavera P06 report wizard, and the third is by Excel spreadsheet. So whichever you like in there, which is more convenient to you, you can choose the 3 of it. But actually, nowadays, there is, I think the Power BI is getting popular now, but I have not yet used it. Okay, so what else? Uh, I think it's good to take a break here. Okay, let's break here, and then our next episode will be part 3, session 7, how to establish detailed baseline program report layouts. And this time we will be working on the activities usage profile. Now we are using we have already finished the activity usage spreadsheet, but now we will be working for the next episode we will be working on the activity usage profile. Profile meaning it is activity usage profile graphical presentation. Actually, this is not usage. This should be activity usage spreadsheet graphical presentation. Okay. 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 End of our session. God bless and goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And see you for the next episode. And thank you. God bless all. Goodbye.